Telegram videos not playing on iPhone, how to fix. If you're not being able to play videos on the Telegram app on iPhone, there could be a couple of ways to fix this and the reasons why this are happening. First of all, make sure it's not an internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Second, you can go ahead and then launch the Telegram app. So let's say you're inside a certain platform over here, let's say inside a certain group, and then you're trying to find the certain video that you might want to maybe download or anything as such, right? So it's not playing the video. What could be the reason? Now, sometimes it could just be a network issue. So you can tap on the three dots icon from the top right hand side. Then you can instead choose to save to photos. So when you save to photos, the video is downloaded to your Photos app and you can view it from there. Otherwise, you can tap on the gear icon over here. You can choose the speed and you can also choose the quality of how much you want to stream in. Then once you've done that, that should most likely help you also solve the problem. If that doesn't help, then go to your settings on your iPhone, then simply go to General. Then from General, simply go to the option iPhone Storage. From iPhone Storage, here you want to simply scroll and look for the Telegram application. So if it doesn't show up, you can tap the Show All button, tap on Telegram, Offload app, and reinstall the app to see if that helps you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.